Dear students, today we are going to discuss Cannizzaro reaction. Two molecules of same aldehyde which does not have alpha hydrogen atom undergo disproportionation reaction or redox reaction in presence of strong base like potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide to form an alcohol and salt of an acid. This reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. Here the aldehyde we are using is which doesn't have alpha hydrogen atom. Example are formaldehyde and benzaldehyde that doesn't have alpha hydrogen atom. And here we are using strong bases like potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Here the aldehyde undergo disproportionation reaction to form alcohol and salt of an acid. Disproportionation reaction means here we are using same aldehyde. Both aldehydes are same. So same aldehyde will undergo oxidation and reduction. So these two reactions occurs in the same aldehyde. That is why this reaction is known as disproportionation reaction. So aldehyde on oxidation that will be converted into carboxylic acid and aldehyde on reduction that will be converted into alcohol. So this is the reaction. 2 moles of benzaldehyde in presence of concentrated KOH undergo disproportionation to form benzyl alcohol and potassium benzoate. Now let us discuss the mechanism in detail. Here we are using potassium hydroxide which is a strong base. So KOH will give K plus and OH minus. So OH minus will act as nucleophile in this reaction. So first step is benzaldehyde reacting with this nucleophile. So benzaldehyde plus OH minus. Here the OH minus will be attracting to this electrophilic center. That means CO oxygen is electronegative. So this electron will be shifting towards the oxygen. So carbon will be having positive charge. So this OH minus will be attracting towards, which is attaching towards the carbon atom. So the product will be C6H5CHO minus OH. So this is the first step. This compound is known as hydroxy alkoxide. So in the second step, this hydroxy alkoxide is reacting with the second molecule of benzaldehyde. So here we know this one is C6H5CHO minus OH and this one is benzaldehyde. So here what will happen? This O minus, this electron will move back towards the carbon atom. So this carbon will be having 5 bonds. So that is unstable. So it has to retain its stability. So some of the bonds should be broken. Anyway, this OH bond, COH bond cannot be broken because if you break this bond, this will be the same compound before. That is, it will become benzaldehyde again. So this hydroxy alkoxide is treating with benzaldehyde. So here this H will be removed as H minus. That means hydride transfer occurs here. So this oxygen electrons will be shifting towards the carbon atom. So CH bond will be broken. So this H will lose as H minus ion. So that will be hydride ion transfer. This hydride ion will move towards this carbon atom. And here what will happen? This oxygen CO bond will be broken and the oxygen electrons will shift towards the oxygen atom. So this carbon will be having positive charge and this H minus ion will move towards this carbon atom. So the product form will be C6H5. Here what will happen? This electron will move towards here. So carbon is positive, negative, it will be double bond. So one product is C6H5COOH and the other product is C6H5CH2O minus. So here one is the acidic compound and the other one is base. So here this react as acid and base. So this acid will give H plus ion and this base will accept that H plus ion. So here H plus will move from here to this O minus. So what will happen here? C6H5COO minus and here C6H5CH2OH. So this compound will form as benzyl alcohol and this one is C6H5COO minus. Then this C6H5 here what will happen? Here it occurs proton transfer. So after proton transfer, this will form alcohol, and here it will be C6H5COO minus. And what will happen to this C6H5COO minus? In the starting compound, we have used the base potassium hydroxide. So there one K plus is there. That K plus will attach to this O minus. It will form potassium benzoate. That is C6H5COO minus K plus. So this is the salt of acid, and this is the alcohol formed in this reaction. So dear students, I hope the mechanism is clear. Thank you for watching. If you like the class, please like and subscribe for more videos.